Well, as you can see, full of beans. This is set as usual on as full a cup as you get, and just past middle on the ground on the bean side, so it's not set up for ready ground coffee. Okay, so press for 1 cup. Look in here. There's no sign of any beans going down, being disturbed. It's whirring away, clearly not grinding anything. And here we are, the lights flashing to tell me that I'm trying to make it with ground coffee, and there's no coffee in there's no ground coffee in the chute. Just to avoid any doubt, look in here, you see plenty of water. Oh, and yeah, we'll take the tray out as well, just to show there's nothing in there. Okay, that's not full. Nothing in there. Okay, well, light's gone out again, but we'll give it another go. Once again. There it goes. Clearly not grinding any beans, just whirring. And there's the light to tell me again that it's trying to make ground coffee when I haven't got any ground coffee in the chute. Well, it's not set for ground coffee, is it? So anybody can see that. Well, we'll have a go with ground coffee now. I've changed the settings, say I'm using ground coffee. There we've got a level spoonful of coffee. Put that in there, up underneath. Well, I think that establishes that it's not working because it's not grinding the beans.